Today I have come up with a revolutionary product for all the content creators out there, and including myself. If this is your first time watching me, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That'd be highly appreciated. Welcome to Vivek RJ Dieselhead. This is Vivek. Let's hop into the video, fellas. Today I've got Wireless Go 2 from Rode, and before jumping into the video, a huge thanks to all of my viewers for showing so much love and support. So I've got Wireless Go 2 from Rode, and this is one of the best products available in the market today. Why I'm saying this is backed by a lot of reasons. First of all, it's got two microphones and one receiver, so you don't have to point the microphone at yourself and then at your subject while doing an interview kind of thing. So the transmitters are on and they connect as soon as you switch them on, and as soon as you see at the receiver there are two bars fluctuating, which clearly shows that these two transmitters are connected and are transmitting audio to the receiver, and these two shows the level of audio coming into the receiver, and you can also see if there are any clipping issues in your audio. So this was the main feature why I got this. And now why I said that it's a revolutionary product. See guys, it's been really hard when we lose audio. You must have seen one of my videos in which I shot a video of Jeep Compass. I lost most of the audio on that video. There are some projects which you can't shoot again. That is exactly what happened in my Jeep Compass video. I was not able to shoot it again. The best thing about this kit is that if somehow your transmitters are not connected to this thing, receiver, then also due to interference or some distance issues or maybe out of range issues, in that case also the transmitters would be recording the audio in itself, and you can record up to 7 hours of audio in these transmitters in uncompressed format, that is WAV files. And if you are recording in compressed file format, that is MP3, then you can record up to 24 hours of audio in these two bad boys. I really just love it, guys. See, these are actually fail-safe devices. If you are a content creator, you know how important it is to shoot a complete video with the perfect audio. But if somehow you lose that audio, all of your content, all of your project is gone. And if somehow you can't shoot it again, you are completely finished, guys. So this is the best feature which I loved about this kit, and I really appreciate Rode for making such a thing in such a what should I say, cheap price. Yes, though they are not very cheap, they costed me somewhere around 28,000 rupees, and it's not cheap for a microphone, but for wireless microphone having backup in themselves, it's actually very cheap. You are going to get a professional grade product which has got backup also, so you don't lose your project. That is actually cheap. 30,000 is not much for such a system which is providing all the backup features to you. Saramonic has also got a similar system, but Saramonic doesn't have any backup system into their kit. So this was a clear winner why I got this. And it's got this it's got Type-C charger, and you can connect all three of these devices to your normal Type-C charger, or your phone charger, or anything else which has got Type-C charger. And it does come up with three Type-C to Type-A cables, and you can connect all of them simultaneously. This is simply an overview, not a review, but it can be a deciding factor while you purchase for the microphone system. All the content creators should consider the features of this particular kit, because this is one of the most revolutionary thing I have ever seen in a microphone in this low budget. And it's got these fur cats you can connect. Actually, it's got three fur cats, and you need only two. let me just connect it and show you that these are actually more durable than the Wireless Go 1, the first version. Because see, it doesn't come out. Even if you are going to pull it like that, it's not coming out, which is simply very good. Because in Wireless Go 1 or Wireless Go, it used to come out as soon as you pull it out, but it's not the same with this Wireless Go 2. And now I've got this, and you also get a TRS to TRS cable if you are if you want to connect it to your iPhone or Android phone or any digital system. You can connect it via Type C. It's got a digital output here, Type C to Type C or Lightning cable to your smartphone. If your smartphone doesn't have any 3.5 mm jack for the input of the microphone, then you can use Type C to Type C or Type C to Type A or Type C to for the computer, or Type C to Lightning cable for the iPhone. So if you want to edit the audio of each microphone individually, you can do it by simply recording one microphone to the left channel and other microphone to the right channel. As simple as that. It's actually a feature into this. So you have got both the options, so that you can record each of these microphones on left or right channel or both the channels simultaneously. How cool is that, na? I just love it, guys. I just love it. So this is one of the feature, and next feature is that if somehow you are having an interview kind of thing, and one of the person is loud and the other one is low on volume, you can edit a particular channel and increase the volume of that particular channel and keep the audio of the other channel as it is. If the audio is clipping, then you can simply push this button and cut the volume, so there won't be any clipping. See, -15, -12 dB, -9 dB, -6 dB, -3 dB, 0 dB, and here it is again -30 dB. So it's really cool that you can do it on your receiver, right from your receiver, so there won't be any issues. You don't have to do all the settings in your camera itself. You can do it on your receiver as well. Along with that, there is one more backup feature. It's got so many backup features that I simply love this device. Because it is, like I said, revolutionary product for the content creators like myself. So there's one more feature. You can use backup channel also. Suppose one of the microphone is clipping, or the voice is clipping, or the audio is clipping on one of the microphone, then the other microphone can record at -20 dB. So there would be a backup file stored in your microphone, which can be used in the case of a clipped audio on the first microphone. Isn't it cool, guys? I just love this. I don't know how many times I said this, but I really love this. It's got so many features, so many backup features, that it's kind of a fail-safe system for all the content creators at this such low price, and you're getting 2 microphones and so many backup features in just 28,000 rupees. Forgot to tell you, it does comes with this padded pouch to keep all your microphones into this, something like that, and the cable, TRS to TRS cable, and all of these fur cats. See, it's got this velcro as well. It's got a velcro here as well, so just keep it like that, safe and sound. I hope you like this content. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button.